Hey, what is happening, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to be chunking down some of the core AI components of the Agent Flywheel platform and how it's applicable to internally in your business. Now, if you want to take these general concepts, apply it to whatever you're using, totally cool. But I just want to kind of give you a bigger picture look at having things under one roof and how impactful, efficient, and effective that can be. So, the more, just like anything else, the more you feed into it, like with AI, the better and better and better it gets. So, when you look at it like this, you have say for take example every single email, every single text message, every single phone call with the lead. Well, AI is going to be able to consume all of that, know everything about that, and then be able to respond and take action on that type of stuff. Same thing with your past clients, referral partners, so on and so forth. So, and this is applicable from everything to, somebody clicking around on your website. When it's all wired in together, you have this compound network effect that really, really can drive significant amount of business while reducing your daily activities, daily touch points, daily things. So some of the big growth components that we will focus on. So really two core pillars with this is going to be inbound referral partners. Essentially, AI is going to be able to go out and get referral partners to fill up your pipeline for you, engage with them on your behalf. We have lead generation. So these are built on top of our high level Agent Flywheel. So we deploy a very, very simple lead generation strategy for getting bottom of the funnel active shoppers. So essentially, in plain terms, we're able to take properties that are on the market, have an AI marketing assistant that markets them across organic traffic, and then people will reach out directly to you to inquire about that property. So these are people who are actively in the market shopping, looking for something. Ask AI. This is really cool because it is you have the ability to take action inside your account, and it will do things for you. It can do things repeatedly. I'll give you some pretty cool examples of that. But it's plain language. You're able to talk to it. It's able to look at all of your contacts, and then take action on your behalf in there. AI Studio, you're able to build out websites, sales funnels, landing pages, marketing assets in minutes in plain English. Again, I'll give you some great examples of this. AI agents. Now you have your AI agents that live inside your platform that can do things for you. AI voice, inbound, outbound. Again, contextual learning, improving. You can constantly feed it information. It can get better and better and better over time. And it's just, so again, everything under one roof. We have conversation AI. So basically with conversation AI, you just think everything that's written, text messages, emails, Facebook messages, LinkedIn message, or not LinkedIn, Instagram messages, chat widgets, anything that can be in a written format. Would be under conversation AI. Then you have social media and email. Again, all of this stuff is built in. Now there is really good use cases for a lot of the other AI, a lot of the other AI tools. Like I will still write stuff in Claude or Chat GPT for email content, for example, and then plug it in. Just because this is just a better, more refined output. But at the same time, you don't have to. If you're just looking to whip up something pretty quickly, you can use everything that's in there and pump stuff out. And for the most part, for most people, it's nothing. You're not creating anything new under the sun. There's a lot of context around the types of emails and stuff that you might be sending to engage with your database. So these are some of the big picture things. I'll chunk down some of these in a little bit more detail so you have some more clarity around that. Again, Not trying to like hard sell you on anything here. Just give you some context into why having a platform to dedicate for your AI day-to-day use for engaging with the growth of your business, as compared to being spread across multiple little different apps, that don't really engage or talk to the other components of all of your business. So with that being said, we'll wrap this up and then chunk down and give you some examples of a handful of these, so you have some better understanding of that.